tumakbong konsehal? Ano na, kamusta na ang plano?
Um, maraming magsasabi for me to push for it. Pero itong month na to and the coming days ahead, dahil malapit na rin ang filing, maraming factors na that will help me decide. Pero sa pagdating sa ganyan, mas gusto ko muna mag-focus sa pag-artista ko. Meron akong projects na nakalaan sa akin. The possibility and yung trust na nararamdaman ko from them, na-appreciate ko talaga yun. If they think that I can be a good leader sa city of Antipolo, I'm definitely down for it. Pero sa tingin ko, magandang timing siguro. There are a lot to learn. Politics is a different field at ibang mundo yan. So for me, siguro mas maganda na paghandaan ko na maayos yan. If ever natutuloy ako, coming from someone na may invitation ka at nagsasabi na ini-invite ako mag-politics, isang bagay na dapat pag-aralan muna. But let's see, the coming years, if the opportunity comes up, at ready ako, maybe.
So, you're not closing your doors yet?
I'm not closing my doors. Bilang isang tao na mahilig sa kawang gawa, isang representative of the Philippine Navy, at even way back, gawain na namin ng family ko na tumulong, magbigay ng inspirasyon at gumawa ng kawang gawa. It's exactly the same thing, this time leading. And to be part of it, maybe. I'm not closing my doors, but it's something that I have to prepare for carefully. And but at this time, with the projects na nakalinya sa akin, I want to devote my focus dito muna.
Tsaka, pero kung sakaling papalarin ka, malaki yung matutulong para yung advocacy mo sa sport, baka push through, no?
Actually, ngayon nabanggit mo kayo, Jojo, nakausap ko si Governor Nina Inares and pinropose ko na yung ongoing renovations na ginagawa sa Inares Gym sa Antipolo. Sabi ko sa kanya, Gov, baka pwede natin dalhin ang mixed martial arts dito and bring people to the east. At the same time, magtulungan tayo, di ba? Yung tourism sa Antipolo, matutulungan namin. At the same time, we earn more followers of the sport. Game na game siya. So ngayon pinag-uusapan namin, hinahayaan lang namin matapos yung renovations ng Inares Gym or Coliseum. Tapos mag-uusap na kami.
Okay, so thank you. So definitely wala munang politika next year or...
Isang bagay na kailangan pag-aralan. Next year, masyadong gipit ng time din. So probably not muna.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jojo.
Yung input ka ba na sinasabi mo?
Yes, coming from someone who does endorsements, marketing, and the things we know, doon ko pinapasok. Like, ito yung inputs ko, and I work hand in hand also with our Mikey, our marketing director, sa mga ideas na pwede nating gawin. Kumbaga, kung ano alam ko with what works, sinashare ko sa kanila. And sabi ko, hindi lang ako basta partner. I want to be an active partner. So sabi ko kay Burns, please do not put me behind the stage. I want to be there. So please, sa mga excited sa Zeus Combat League, I will be there to host, I will be there to commentate, I will be there to mingle with the fighters and talk to them. Kaya gano'n ko kamahal yung sport. And without asking anything for it.
Tama sa Olympics?
No, hindi pa. Unfortunately. We are trying to push for it. But may mga inaayos pang organizations, what do you call this, yung regulations para mapasok. Even yung ibang bansa, they are pushing for it. Kasi recently we had the Craig Jones Invitational na yung mga fighters, yung jiu-jitsu fighters were able to earn millions from their fights eh. So talagang sumisikat na talaga yung sport. Nakakarinig na kumbaga, na titimbrehan na yung ibang organizations to help regulate and organize it. Hopefully, sa next Olympics ay masali sila.
And then, sabi mo you're teaching jiu-jitsu din. May school ka na,
It's
teach mo?
actually passion project lang siya. It's called Elevation Jiu-Jitsu. I do it in Antipolo. small room, small class, pero meron akong mga 14 kids na tinuturuan ng jiu-jitsu, tinuturuan ko sila paano bumaksak, tinuturuan ko sila paano mag-say no when people are starting to bully them, and only to resorting to yung alam nila sa jiu-jitsu if they only have to. Kaya yun ang pinopromote ko, humility and pag-iwas sa away.
And then, since kailan ka pa nag-start magturo ng jiu-jitsu?
It happened after the pandemic. Siyempre, marami tayong free time, naisip ko na, itong kawang-gawa ko na. Kaya yung mga parents na yung lumalapit sa akin kasi, Coach, pwede ko ba i-enroll yung anak ko kasi masyado siya nasa telepono. Masyado siya nag-YouTube, masyado siya kung ano nang papanood niya. I'd like him or her to talk to kids, play with kids kasi game-based yung pagturo ko ng jiu-jitsu. Kailangan ng anak ko to, kailangan lang may nakakausap siya. And I always say, please, by all means, dali mo sila sa akin.
And then last question, ano ang mga naidulot sa iyo ng pag-involve sa jiu-jitsu?
Mga naitulot sa akin.
Oh, yes.
I learned how to go about any kind of problems because I know I keep talking about jiu-jitsu. I love the sport. It's being faced with a problem where I'm gonna be submitted, but because I know a lot about the sport, I know what to do. I'll get to capitalize on the problem and make a way to win. So, dun ko siya na-apply sa buhay ko. Kahit ano man mapunta sa akin, magagawa ko ng paraan yan. I stay grounded because lagi kong alam na may mas magaling kesa sa akin. Hindi umaabot sa akin na nagiging ma-ere akong tao kasi may mas magaling ka sa akin eh. Ako magugulpin mo eh. So, that I apply also. At the same time, for my mental health, when I do complex characters and I need a reset, I do jiu-jitsu. Because, one, yung happy hormones na makukuha mo from working out, at the same time, tutulungan yung brain mo mag-isip, it resets you. So, in general, sports helps you. So, yun ang isa sa magandang dudulot sa buhay ko. And now, we are spreading all our love and knowledge to the younger ones.
Pero gago ka magiging busy sa, tulad niya sa Supremacy Group, like towards the end of the year, like hindi lang basta ang Metro Manila niyo dadalhin to, like the province.
Thank you for that.
Tour.
Yes. Yeah, you said it right. We want to go around the provinces to showcase and gather talents and then bring them on one stage para with the reach of Zeus Combat League and with my help, mapapakita natin yung galing ng Pilipino. Hindi lang sa Manila, kundi buong Pilipinas talaga. We have a lot of partners and yung mga gyms na nakakarinig na, uy, may Zeus Combat League na. Tara na, sali tayo. That's already happening.
Okay, maraming salamat.
Salamat.
Good luck.
We have one final question for
Hello, magandang hapon po. Tanong ko lang, gaano ka-challenging ang mag-mount ng ganitong event? Like, ano pong mga preparations?
Actually,